The beauty of MLFlow is very simple API-based model. So you'll not have any huge implementations and all that. Okay, these are all different features that your machine learning MLFlow basically provides. API first philosophy. It simply gives you a UI where it will capture all the libraries, the dependencies, the languages. It supports multiple languages. It allows you to reproduce the runs, experiments. It logs models. It is basically allowing us to do the deployment or development in the first phase in different independent modular models. So each stage is assumed to be an independent stage, right? So that's the advantage which MLFlow is developed on, because if you want to do certain things within the MLFlow features, you can directly use those features. You don't need to use this as an end-to-end product. And a very simple UI is provided. Very simple. This UI is very similar to what we have seen on AWS SageMaker, or you can say Azure Workstation, more similar to Azure Workstation, right? That ML Studio that we're talking about. It's an open source, by the way. Okay, so these are some of the advantages. So it has distinct components, 4 components: tracking,